and this is our my day 197. And right now I will prepare to do or to go around the city. I will use my scooter to go to ride essentially. And we just finished Grand Blue. Not really Grand Blue. It's I do apologize. I forgot the title, but yeah, we finished this diving anime who only have one diving scene or diving episode, and that's pretty much the whole concept of the show. But it's essentially a comedy parody, so it's more of a comedy itself, and then diving for a single episode. And aside from that, I will now record every day or essentially every morning so that I can set up my day. I did play a few games, but it's not really the best decision because I got bored of it. I'm not really fit to work or to. I'm sorry, I'm still lagging, but essentially, I'm not fit to, you know, game essentially because I have not played that game for a couple of months and I just tried it. I did achieve a lot of places or unlocks a lot of places, and yeah, that's pretty much the thing that I just enjoy exploring. So I did find it challenging because it's a challenging game and I don't want to deal with it right now. And this is my computer setup. I will still be, or I'm still trying to, learn the xylophone, or planning to because I haven't started yet. And I've been reading this book, although I haven't read it in 2 days now, so I will read it tomorrow or later when I got back home. And yeah, that's my day for today. And I wouldn't consume 3 minutes because I do want to go around and I will prepare now. Goodbye.